Most welcome to OGPRD once again. Today in this video I will show you that why bootstrap is so much important and why the successful businessmen and the successful entrepreneurs are mostly use the bootstrap. The fact behind that, actually the bootstrap is a way by which you can look your website in the form of Android application without making the Android application. Because of that only they can consume a time, they can just save their money, and they can just collaborate in the one end of their domain name. So everything be work on their domain name, on the specific one domain name, so all the visitors they cannot escape from another advertisement attempts towards it. So today I will show you that what do you mean by bootstrap here. If you have a single entity, so many are going to know you, but there are same entity of your different types, so person is not going to know by a single person in a huge amount. As far as, let I show you first of all example what is the mean of bootstrap. For the example, this is a page of website. If I'm going to open in this Android application, so automatically it will look like in the form of Android application. So bootstrap is a technique by which you can do this same thing. For the example, if you have a business plan and you are trying to make your personal website, so try to use the bootstrap. Because of the responsive website in the Android application, you don't have to make the Android application their maintenance, and you can just consume the time, save your money, everything behalf on their bootstrap. So bootstrap is the best technique, in the best language by which you can going to make your website effective and responsive, which is be directly usable in Android application. Because nowadays mostly everyone use the Android application, but there are lots of applications which they are not going to install in their Android application because of lag problem, hanging problem. There are so many problems, RAM problem, memory size problem. Because of that only no person going to take the interest on so much application. So if you have your specific website which is built in the bootstrap, and it is responsive in the Android application, so directly as far as your domain name, directly it can be accessed by Android application in their search engine, so automatically it will take the layout as an Android application in their same mobile. So they are easily going to buy, book, sell, do everything through their Android search engine only. So this is the fact behind that. They are mostly successful businessmen are mostly don't have their Android application. They mostly use their only one field, that is a personal website they can design as a bootstrap, and as a bootstrap they can use as a responsive mobile application. So this is the way how they are rich and have their good performer in their marketplace. So hope, I think so you got this video so interesting for you. So thanks for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe us. Look, I will see you next again. Bye bye, have a good day.